Well, the stock markets have also been in the news, obviously in relation to what's been happening in global affairs. So let's just have a quick look as I see it. Now, you can see on the daily chart here with the S&P 500, it's very clear the downward moves, which began at the start of 2022. And even when it tries to rebound up, it just can't. It's too weak. And why is it weak? Well, if you look at the weekly charts, you can sort of see why. And what you really need to look at when you look at that, to understand the daily, is to look at the weekly charts, and you can see how strongly the MACD is falling, the momentum indicator there, and indeed the stochastic, which tends to be a bit more volatile and a bit premature, whereas the MACD tends to be a bit more lagging. So when you get a combination of both, you sort of get the right sense of timing. So very much still negative. You might get the odd bounce day, but as things stand, I need the MACD to at least be flat and the stochastic to be rising before I'd even look at the dailies. So I'd need to look at that on the weeklies, that to happen, flat and rising. Okay, so NASDAQ daily falling, and you can see it's trying to make a bit of a move up. But as I said, it's really the weeklies which govern what happens on the daily charts. And on the weekly, still falling quite sharply on the MACD, whilst the stochastic is trying to rise. I'd need to see the MACD at least flat before I'd even consider getting in on a daily trade on that to the long side. FTSE 100 fallen sharply and continues to be relatively weak, I'm afraid, despite the fact that it had been a lagging index for quite a while. So I'm not in any rush to deploy any capital, I have to say, as things stand at the moment. Okay, so that's where we are with that one. And finally, the Dow, how's that doing? Well, again, and we're looking at this on the daily first, which, like I said, it's less important to me. What's really more important on the trades is the weekly. So anybody getting long on the daily is going probably to get whipsawed out by a move to the downside, given by how much it's falling. The MACD is negative. Like I said, you might get the odd day where it goes up, but that really, I don't think, will last. If you want to learn more, follow my Telegram channel, all my free videos and education. Look at my links on campaignforamillion.com, where you will learn a lot about investing, about trading, about the markets, about what's happening in politics, and you'll get daily free updates. It's all free for everyone, and it also includes some downloads of my books you can see over my shoulder as well, all completely free. Enjoy. Thank you very much.